Hi, I'm Jules from Fast Car, and today 3M have sent us down to RGVA with some of their vinyl to show you the full process and skill involved in wrapping a vehicle and why using a top material is so important. So stage one of a wrap is making sure it's absolutely pristine clean, getting right up under the little nooks and crannies, because any little bit of dirt that gets onto the film, it won't stick that well. So after the car has been washed, it's brought in and left overnight to thoroughly dry. And then it's down to the strip down, so taking all parts off the car that can be easily taken off really, so wrappers can get further in, giving you a more seamless finish. Right, take this off. So once all the bits are off the car, more cleaning to get into all the gaps, nooks and crannies, getting rid of all the contaminants so the vinyl sticks even better, because anything underneath there will affect its longevity. Another process of getting a vehicle wrapped is having it designed. Now, this isn't always necessary. If you're just going for a simple colour change, for example, you wouldn't really need to go through that. But on our Civic today, we want to do something a little bit funky with the carbon parts on the car, so we're going to go and get it designed. So the vehicle's clean, it's been stripped down, we've had our wrap designed. It's now on to laying the vinyl in production. So after all that prep work's been done, it's now on to the fun part of actually laying the vinyl. So what colour have we actually gone for on the Civic? Well, we've gone for 3M's 2080 Gloss Pearl White. This is a lovely colour. We actually put it on a 350Z many years ago, and we just think it's going to look great on the Civic. Yeah, so this new film from 3M, the High Gloss series, it's amazing. Now, normally in the past, when you do a gloss wrap, you could always tell, always a little bit orange peely, and you would sort of be able to tell. But this new stuff has got like a mirror-like finish. It's unbelievable. And I saw some at a show the other week, and it was really hard not to see it wasn't paint. They do it in 4 different shades in a minute. You've got the sky blue, hot rod red, storm grey, and the black like we had done on the roof and the spoiler slat on our Civic. There's more film colours coming, and it is genuinely amazing if you want a gloss wrap. One big benefit of this new film and other 2080 gloss finishes is they come with a protective film layer, so it reduces the risk of scratching during installation, and then when you peel it off, that's when you get that lovely gloss finish. Just like all 3M film, it is packed with technology. It's got optimised adhesive, reduced initial tack, and improved repositionability. So I'm here with Jamie from RGVA, and you're laying the vinyl today, aren't you?
Yep.
On the Civic. But I want to talk to you about the actual material, because it's one of the biggest parts, if not the biggest part, of a vehicle wrap, isn't it? And
yep.
You guys love using 3M, don't you?
Yeah, it's just really fitter friendly.
Yeah, because there's all like little bits of technology in it that you
Yeah,
don't really see. So
yeah,
the channels, aren't there? And
yeah, the control tack with the glass beads under a microscope. Basically, if I do a little demo on here, so when basically it allows us to reposition the vinyl without it actually bonding to the vehicle. So if you imagine this was the vehicle,
yeah,
and we're laying our film on, if I press down, it will stick. But if I don't, it's the glass beads that are holding it off, so we can position it where we want to the right position before squeegeeing down.
Yeah, and then it crushes those microscopic things, and then that's where
and that's when the adhesive starts to bond to the vehicle. Also, another tool that we use just to eliminate cut marks. We shouldn't do anyway because we shouldn't be pressing hard enough, but just to eliminate any mark on the vehicle, we use a thing called Knifeless tape.
Yeah.
Or design line is the other one, which is a thinner wire. It's more conformable, basically.
And is that for doing more, like, say,
more
a pattern?
intricate? Yeah, more intricate patterns, really. So if I get the end of this, I'll show you. It's basically just, you can lay it down.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, like so. Cut it off before I'll be hanging off the bench. Then we get our vinyl. I'll use this bit for this demo. Squeegee over it. So if you imagine this was my panel,
Yeah.
this is the bit I wanted to keep, so we've fitted that on. Rather than getting a scalpel blade and then cutting,
Yeah.
we use this. You pinch it at the end, pull, and the wire separates the wire, and then the wire is what cuts the material. And get excess, and then give it a little rub, and that's it.
Job's a good one.
Yeah.
As well as full colour change wraps, 3M do IJ280 film, which is a printed vinyl. This vinyl opens up a whole new world of possibilities. You can have any design you like printed and then applied to your car. As you can see, all the vinyl has now been laid on the car, so it's on to the next stage, which is reassembly. So there you go. That's how to colour change your vehicle using 3M material. And that's a wrap.